Oops, I forgot. Sorry. Hello, my beasties. What is up? It's Jiya. Welcome back to my channel. And okay, it's 2 days to Halloween. I know, but I don't care. Every day in October is Halloween for me. So I bet everyone has watched movie It. If you haven't, then do not worry at all. So in that movie, there is an evil clown. His name is Pennywise, and today I'm gonna recreate that look using 3 eyeshadow colors. So, as the title suggests, that last minute clown makeup for Halloween, which means that you can do this look in no time. It takes completely zero effort. So, without further ado, here we go, doing the evil clown makeup with me, of course. Yes, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, before applying any makeup, your face should be properly cleaned. You need to wash your face thoroughly before applying any kind of makeup, because it looks good when your face is, cleaned. So I've cleaned my face, I've washed it properly, and now I'm using my foundation, which is this one. I use this foundation from Wow. I know it's almost empty, but just forget it, okay? So I'm applying this foundation. Okay, so now I'm done with the foundation. Now let's start doing the actual makeup. For this, I'm using again my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. As always, you know this thing. So let's get started now. So I'm gonna use this color, which is Man Eater, then Black Truffle, and this one, Trust Fund. Okay, that's funny. This is me from the outside versus this is me from the inside. Oh, gross. I know. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is that we're gonna create red lines on our face, like from here, then here, and then joining the corner of the lips right here. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so I'm doing the exact same thing that I told you guys before. So let's try this thing out. So I've created a very light line in case we mess up, so that I can remove it easily. And now we're gonna create the same exact line, and we're gonna copy the same exact path with the black eyeshadow. And we're not gonna use too much black eyeshadow, just a little bit, and then we're gonna blend all this together. Okay, so what you guys basically need to do is this. Like, you just have to put some eyeshadow right between the red line, so that it looks a bit, realistic, like this. Okay, now I'm doing the exact same thing with the whole line. Like this. And now I'm again gonna have some red eyeshadow over it, and then this I'm gonna just blend it all so that it looks good. Okay, so we're all done with this one. Now I'm just gonna do hair on this side off camera quickly. Alright, so we're done with the both sides, and now let's move on to the nose. For the nose, I'm gonna just do the same thing that we do when we highlight, or then when we contour. So let's take this out. So this is what we have to do, and now I'm just gonna fill all this area with the red eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm filling all this area with the red eyeshadow, and then I'm just gonna blend everything evenly. Something like this. And now I'm gonna use black eyeshadow around all the edges so that it gets a little bit depth. Something like this. And now finally I'm applying that trust fund eyeshadow at the same area where we apply our highlighter. Alright, now let's move on to the lips. So before that, your lips should be properly moisturized. I used Vaseline for this purpose. And now all you need to do is just put some red eyeshadow on your lips, like so. And just rub them like you rub your lipstick. And make sure it's all red. Now grab your black eyeshadow and just do what I do now. All you have to do is put your black eyeshadow right on the corners of your lips and extend it through the boundary, like so. Alright guys, I tied my hair because it was getting a bit problematic. And now lips are all done, and let's move on to the eyes. For the eyes, you do not have to apply any eyeshadow on your eyelids, just above the crease, like so. Like I said, do not apply any eyeshadow on the lids, only above the crease. Apply some, not some, okay, a little bit of black eyeshadow here on the corner, and just blend that completely inside your red eyeshadow, which will give this thing a bit of depth. Alright, the complete look is here, so drum roll please. Oh my goodness, I am looking like the real Pennywise. Well, it came out to be really good. I did not thought that it would come out so well, but it did, as always. Alright, so that's what all about today, and if you want me to do any kind of makeup, any kind of DIY, or anything you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section, or you can just DM me on Instagram, and I will surely do that because it gives me immense pleasure to make videos for all of you. Alright guys, this was all for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, then subscribe to my channel, be the part of a family, and press that bell icon if you'd like to get the notification each time I post a new video. So I'll be back with a new video very soon, as always. Till then, stay happy and let's float down the sewer. Alright, I'm just kidding. So stay happy, stay tuned, stay wonderful as you guys are, and hugs and kisses till the next time.